Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check someone's reposts on TikTok. So first of all, you will have to open the TikTok application. So now what to do, go in the profile icon on the right below. So from here you will see, you will go in the settings and privacy. So from here you will can't find the repost button. So you will see the TikTok studio below. You will see the symbol of repost, so you will just click to in repost. So I will have to just one repost of this user. So from here in the profile icon you will find the reposts all TikTok. So finally, hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.